Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to download Facebook videos. Now let's dive right in. Now to download Facebook videos, guys, you'll not be able to directly download the Facebook videos from Facebook to your storage device, but you will be able to save it on your account. So let's get right in. Now open the Facebook app, and after that I'll be just going to a random video. To do that, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there is a video icon just beside the home icon, just below the Facebook. Tap on that video icon and you'll be over here on the video section of Facebook. Now in order to download it or save it, you can see there is a three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there and you can see the save video option available for us just above the cast video. And if you tap on that save video, this video will be saved on your account, and you can see you can choose to save it to a collection. I'll be just saving it to the favorites of mine. So let's go back, and at the top right corner of the screen, guys, let's go back to the home page. You can see there is the profile or the home icon, and at the top right corner of the screen, guys, there is our profile picture with the small three line icons. Tap on there again, and over here, guys, you can see there is the saved tabs for us just beside the pages tab. So let's tap on the save tab, and over here you can see, guys, the video I just saved is available over here with the reels. Also your reels and videos which you save on Facebook will be available over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you download or save videos on Facebook or from Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.